Never been so hard in love. All it was to break you up. Whoever did. You're my sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charge. I mean, I'm gonna sell you out in your body. Go best friend, yeah, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Why?
After you spell of love, don't deny. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always watch you. I'm gonna live a life I didn't for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. Never been so hard in love. All it was to break you up. Whoever did was wreck me. Wreck me. I put you high up in the sky. Yeah.
Sis, I understand that you're sad and you're hurting right now, but I just want to know, how long are you going to be doing this? You're missing out a whole lot of school, and everybody's wondering, when are you coming back?
I'm too sad. I don't want to work right now. I don't feel like working. I'm too sad. I'm hurting.
Yes, you're on a leave of absence and everything, but the others, they're not doing that good.
So how bad is it at school? Because I left Cherry in charge and I left Chase, and they're in charge of the events. While I'm out on absence, so they're in charge of the events right now.
Aqua is taking over the presidential committee.
Really?
You know that you left the other two for friends in charge, but they're not doing what they're supposed to be doing.
They're doing that bad?
It's very, very bad at the last event that happened and everything. You didn't even sell enough ticket sales.
I just don't feel like going back to school right now. I'm so sad with everything that happened with the Christmas formal, and I don't even know why you break up with me. I don't know why we're not together, and it's just hurting me because now he's ghosting me. He's not answering any of my calls or anything, and I just can't understand why would he break up with me. We've been together for so long, for 3 years. So I just can't understand why. And for me to just get up and go back to school and do all that and pretend that nothing happened, I just can't. I can't pretend.
You need to get up and let's go now back to what you need to do. You need to get yourself back to working.
Yeah, I hear what you're saying.
Just plain love music? Is that what you're going to be feeling sorry for yourself? Or are you going to get yourself up and go back to school?
Yeah, you're so right.
So I need for you to get yourself back together, and so that you can get back to school.
Yeah.
Take control of the presidential committee, because right now the pity show, it is over. A hug, and then we get going.
As you guys know, I just came out of a breakup, but I'm still processing it. But one thing my sister just said to me a while ago, and she's right. So here are my 5 tips to get over a breakup. Number 1, support. As you guys see, my sister came in here and she support me and she understand what I am going through. So yeah, support is important. Support and understanding. And so she's right. I need to do my best and try find myself again and do what's best for me. So I'm gonna basically put on my big girl pants and try my best to get over this as best as possible I can, and not to try my heartbreak let me neglect my duties. So that's what I'm going to go do right now, and I appreciate my sister so much for always being there for me and being so understanding for this past week that I've been going through these past couple of weeks that I've been going through this. Okay, so I'm gonna get myself together. And now my tip number 2 is to change yourself or give yourself a makeover. So as I said, I'm going to find myself, I'm going to change myself, I'm going to give myself a makeover, because it always makes me feel better. And I hope that when you're going through this, a makeover, a new look, a transition, help you to make you feel better. So that's what I'm going to go do now. I'm going to give myself a makeover. Giving yourself a makeover is good for your mental health, and it also will improve your physical appearance to others and also to yourself. Tip number 3, treat yourself. Treating yourself either by shopping, jewelry, buying your favorite food, going out with friends, whatever, read your favorite book. For me, treating myself means sweets. I love sweets, I love chocolate, I love candy, I love ice cream. As you can see, I set out an entire platter with a favorite food book because I like looking at food, and I'm also adding candy. I'm also adding M&M's candy, and that's ice cream there. So treating yourself with your favorite food, clothes, shopping, jewelry, it's a good way to take your mind off your breakup. And number 4 is keep active. Keep active means keep active in whatever you like to do, whether you like to exercise, whether you like to draw, whether you like to chill with your friends, but keep your mental state and your mind very active. Take the focus off your breakup and onto something else. Put all your energy into something else other than your breakup. So now we are at the finish line, my people, and number 5 is take your time to heal. Take your time to heal means on your own time, your own process. Whatever how long it takes for you to get over something, that is your time to heal.